For decades, Europe has been supplied with a massive amount of non-renewable energy, mainly gas coming from Russia and oil from the Middle East. Citizens need heat and electricity, but by making this with fossil fuels, pollution and greenhouse gas emissions grew dramatically and will continue to accumulate as governments seem unable to stop it. At the same time, vast amounts of money have been flowing out of our local economies due to this energy dependence, making EU citizens even more vulnerable in times of crisis. This is even worse when fueling islands, because the mainland has to cover the extra expenses. But today we have great solutions and examples of how citizens can solve this problem together. Take the Greek island of Sifnos, for example. A few years ago, Paulina and Apostolos were taking a walk on a sunny day while feeling the constant breeze of the wind over the island. Eureka! This is how they got the idea to make the island energy independent. They immediately called their neighbours to share the idea. Later on, they set up an assembly, including the mayor. While sitting around a table, they shared their thoughts, talks and discussions, proposing ideas. As a result, they created a ResCop, a citizens' renewable energy cooperative. They were inspired by the international cooperative principles. This ResCop was the best platform to produce their own energy on the island, using wind, solar, biomass, pumped storage, combined with energy efficiency technologies. Plans and calculations have been made and show the energy transition is feasible and makes sense. How come it is not reality yet? Vested interests, fear for change. But it is inevitable that in a few years, Sifnos will be 100% energy independent, and its people will share in the profits. They will then tell the fossil fuel boat to go and never come back. In fact, most villages in Europe are still like Sifnos, but in a growing number of places, citizens took action, just like the people of Sifnos now. The real change is up to citizens, and you are not alone. All over Europe, ResCops and other community power initiatives pop up. Please visit www.rescop.eu for information and practical tools on how to set up your own ResCop.